On the way to Alberta. Good morning guys, time check, it's 4 a.m. So we're heading to Calgary? Calgary! So thanks Keja, pagkatid.
Yeah, enjoy!
So nandito kami sa London International Airport. Whoop, whoop. So we're taking WestJet. On the way to Alberta. Welcome to Calgary.
Big, it's cold.
Wala nagasisa yung wheelchair te. Morning guys! Transferring. Hi guys! Andito na kami sa TNT. Mamaya we'll show you ano yung rental car na napahan namin to tour around here. See ya! Right guys, time for lunch. So dito tayo, Asian cuisine tayo ngayon. Yes. So sweet and sour. Ito ang tatargetin natin. Pork ribs. Tofu. Kikiam and anchow.
Ito bakit walang sauce to?
Wala nga.
Ito meron. Gusto nyo na lang dito.
Siyempre, first order of business, kainan.
Pero kanina hindi. Mainit-init pa siya kanina.
Ito po yung aftermath. Si Ira po ang pinakamalaki na kain.
Ay, kalahati na lang.
Lahat po to order niya. Guys, so this is our car for the week. Let's stop it. Ah, no?
Sentry activated.
Huh? Here?
Baka nasa other side.
Dapat on the handle.
Dirty lang. Sa harap ka ba nakapa, Riley? Oh, Riley. So, do you know how to drive Tesla?
You can see the games.
Is it comfy out the back, ate?
Yeah.
Ah, it's a full moon roof. Ano pala? Sunroof.
Hindi. Have plenty of space. Okay, we'll put the dry shoes.
Another stopover. Costco naman. Another snack? 3-1. 3-1. Hi, Mommy.
Hi,
are you loving it here?
Yes, I love it. It's so beautiful. That's how nature works.
So we'll meet Isel and Riley. So nandun sila sa isang car sa Tesla. Let's go!
Weather here, it's so cold.
Hi, beautiful.
Hi. Mukhang pa ganito.
Day. Guys, so walking, strolling.
So many establishments.
एक पिक्चर में ले लेता हूँ तो फिलहाल और क्या देना जगह को मैडम इधर पे आओ इधर मेरा फोन लेना है
Guys, sa akin gito, dami nagbabike. Mostly mga MTB kasi siguro baka may mga hili na trains dito. Sana oil nakapag-bike dito. Next time.
Kaya naman pa. Tayo ka ng picture.
Siyempre, 1 hour has passed. Kainan uli.
Kasi expired time. Expired yun?
Let's go to Starbucks, guys. So, bili tayo ng collectible na mugs. Yes, we found one. So, we'll take this, guys. Let's go.
Natikman niyo na yan, Beaver Tail.
Donald's. And dun sa Banff. So we were told na we're lucky na hindi ganun ka busy today. So this season. So in some seasons talagang punong-puno ng tao to. So it's also good na maraming tao, pero yeah, mas ma-appreciate mo yung places kapag ganito. So ang ganda ng mountains, yung Rocky Mountains, so still may mga ice caps pa rin. So lamig, ang sarap.
Dito lang natin. Look here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Yan yung nasa kanan.
What's this, te?
Sa kabila.
What flavor?
Monster and the mint
Matigin nga kaya, Riley.
Let me try the mint.
What's that flavor?
The Cookie Monster.
What flavor is that? Ano ba yan?
So many tae.
Saan?
Ayun o sa saan dito kayo?
Imported dyan, te.
Okay.
Baka sa aso.
Bear.
Aso siguro.
Baka geese.
Ang laki naman yan.
Opo.
Para sa
Against the light.
Oh, doon kayo sa kabilang dulo. Ayan, dito lang oh, sa railing. Pa-picture ka lang dyan. Yan, te. Dyan. Naku, ganda. Tas bukas ako, magbabike ako. Saan tayo tomorrow?
Lake Louise.
And then,
Lake, Moraine Lake.
Yeah, I know it's
Yeah, I might have this parking on top of it.
stayed here before.
wala na doon. Sa diretso na.
Subukan po natin dumaan dito. Subukan dumaan dito.
Yan.
Bigyan lang na.
Guys, so we're now checking in sa aming Airbnb spot. So just right in front of Banff, yung ating mga rock mountains. So fortunately, hindi natin ma-open yung door. So we'll figure it out.